Paper 1, question number 12 is there on your screen now. It's a very, very big question. So much of diversity. ये तो ऐसा लगता है ऐसे का टॉपिक है. अब क्या नहीं है इसके अंदर. You look at polity, look at economy, look at education and international relations. सारे dimensions से you have to write about the consolidation that has happened in India. In fact, this is so much in discussion these days. There are a lot of sub-nationalism happening across the country on various facets, be it ethnicity, be it language, or for that matter, geographical administrative requirement. In that backdrop, this is a very expected question. So to write an introduction, you can go for contextual, that how we have improved since independence. Philosophical angle ले सकते हैं, tryst with destiny. When we are flirting with our destiny, the Pandit Nehru's speech can be a reference point to start your answer. Also, fact based आप कर सकते हैं. इसमें आप you can possibly have those 5-year plans and then initial initiatives that we had taken about all these dimensions. And then इसमें एक word है trace. Trace डायरेक्टिव का मतलब होता है यू हैव टू स्केच, यू गो फॉर आउटलाइन, ब्रीफली टच करना, बिकॉज डायमेंशन इतने सारे हैं, यू कांट गो टू मच इनटू डिटेल. सो आई थिंक फॉर पॉलिटिकल कंसोलिडेशन के लिए यू कैन टॉक अबाउट कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन, लिंग्विस्टिक रीऑर्गेनाइजेशन और डेमोक्रेटिक इंस्टीट्यूशंस जो बनाए हमने उस टाइम, उनको देख सकते हैं आप. इसके अलावा इकोनॉमिक में वी वांटेड टू डेवलप ए पैन इंडियन इकोनॉमी, उसके लिए आप देख सकते हैं. प्लानिंग कमीशन की बात हो सकती है यहाँ पे. एंड लैंड रिफॉर्म के लिए जो अमेंडमेंट करा था हमने कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में, दैट कैन बी एन इम्पॉर्टेंट इंस्ट्रूमेंट हियर. एजुकेशन, स्पेशली द पॉलिसीज दैट वी हैव हैड ऑन एजुकेशन, यूजीसी हायर लेवल पे, एडल्ट लिटरेसी, and these all commitment of education in the constitution also will make this answer show that we are committed towards consolidation. International relations में NAM can be a very big anchor that you can have. Neighbors relations that we had some tough neighbors, and then we can't change our neighbors. We are not living in a rented house, and so you have to be dealing with them effectively. And then peace advocacy, India's commitment towards the global institutions like United Nations can be taken up. So all this polity, economy, education, IR, सारे dimensions यहाँ पे cover होते हैं. And then इनको close करने के लिए you can possibly have some philosophical angle. Granville Austin ने कहा था the cornerstone of nation building is what we have got Indian Constitution, वो कर सकते हैं. And then forward looking करें इसको. conclusion में you should have a forward looking, because with every passing day the country is becoming more and more organized, consolidated and stronger, and it will continue to grow in that direction.